Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
A new study, headed by researchers from the Universities of Liège and Oslo, applies the latest climate models, of which the MAR predicts a 60% greater melting of the Greenland ice sheet than previously predicted. Data that will be included in the next IPCC report. This study is published in Nature Communications. Its total melting could lead to a significant rise in ocean levels, up to 7 meters. Although we are not there yet, the previous scenarios predicted by climate models have just been revised upwards, predicting a rise in sea levels of up to 8 within the framework of the next IPCC report, AR6, which will appear in 2022. The University of Liège Laboratory of Climatology has been led to apply, within the framework of the ISMEP6 project, the MAR climate model which it is developing to downscale the old and new IPCC scenarios. The results obtained showed that for the same evolution of greenhouse gas concentrations till 2100, these new scenarios predict a 60% greater surface melting of the Greenland ice cap than previously estimated for the previous IPCC report, AR5, 2013. The MAR model was the first to demonstrate that the Greenland ice sheet would melt further with a warming of the Arctic in summer. While our MAR model suggested that in 2100 the surface melting of the Greenland ice sheet would contribute to a rise in the oceans of around 10 centimeters if we do not change our habits, explains Stefan Hofer, postdoc researcher at the University of Oslo, our new projections now suggest a rise of 18 centimeters. As the new IPCC scenarios are based on models whose physics have been improved, in particular by incorporating a better representation. The team of the Laboratory of Climatology was the first to downscale these scenarios. It would now be interesting, says Xavier Fetweis, researcher and director of the laboratory, to analyze how these future projections are sensitive to the MAR model that we are developing by downscaling these scenarios with other. The objective of this project is to assess and project changes in the terrestrial cryosphere, with fully quantified uncertainties, in order to produce robust global, regional and local projections of sea level rise over a range of time scales. The data collected as part of the Catobata project, launched last September by Xavier Fetweis and his colleague Damien Ernst, will also help to refine the models, particularly the wind modeling in the MAR climate model. Knowing that the wind influences the melting of the ice sheet, it is important to have the most reliable models possible, concludes Xavier Fetweis. Story source: note, content may be edited for style and length. Please support our channel to grow by pressing subscribe button as well as the bell icon for daily science updates. Thank you.